So, hi, my name is Zsolt. I'm a part of the Cigar Sense panel since 2021. So, I'm joining because I would like to know more about the cigars, would like to understand the cigars. And this is the best place when I can learn about this. Uh, Thanks for Franca, the owner of the Cigar Sense. She always hold our hands and we learn step by step and make us professional. The the learning is not enough stop. Every day we can learn more. So we are on the middle way and go upper. Made us professional. When I uh, meet some brand owner or distributor, and I mentioned I'm part of the Cigar Sense panel. They know what I talking about because they know the brand, so and they know they are accurate, reliable, and professional. So I am so proud to be part of this.